friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone's doing good. So I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today is a recipe video. We shall be making a vegan mac and cheese. Now, vegan mac and cheese can be made in a lot of ways. However, we're going to be opting for a healthy vegetable-based cheese sauce, which can also be used as a dip to have with nachos. Let's get started.
So to make the vegan mac and cheese, first we're going to make the cheese sauce, for which here I have 1 boiled potato chopped, 3/4 cup of sauteed mushrooms that I've sauteed in a little oil and Himalayan pink salt, a cup of coconut milk, half a cup of cashews that I had soaked in water for 2 hours and rinsed the water, 1 small onion chopped and boiled, 1 small carrot chopped and boiled, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of vegan mayo, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and Himalayan pink salt to taste. Now we shall blend all of this together. The sauce has turned out so perfect and amazing. So next, in a bowl I've added some cooked macaroni, which I've cooked in some Himalayan pink salt. Make sure to not overcook your macaroni. Just cook it till it's al dente. To this we're going to add our delicious cheese sauce. And mix it really well. So next I have transferred our mac and cheese to a baking dish, and I'm going to pour some extra cheese sauce on top, and I have leveled it with a spatula. Now I'm going to cover this with some breadcrumbs. Sprinkle some rosemary on top. And some crushed garlic. So next I'm going to keep it in the oven for around 5 minutes and bake it at 200 degrees Celsius. Once done, we can remove it from the oven. And our amazing mac and cheese is done. I had reserved some cheese sauce on the side to serve with nachos. The mac and cheese looks so beautiful and comforting.
Let's taste now, guys. So I'm going to try the mac and cheese first. Such a gooey, creamy, yummy cheesy sauce. It's so authentic, it's hard to tell it's vegetable based. Let me try just the cheesy sauce with the nachos. This cheesy sauce really hits the spot. You guys must try this recipe to know what I'm saying. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, this video. If yes, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.